Hi, my name is Amy, and I'm here to go over our third installment of Take and Make. And this week's project was truffles. So I'll go over what you'll need. If you have our bag, you'll have the ingredients in there. If you don't, then I'm gonna go over that. So first to start with, you'll need 8 ounces of good quality chocolate. I wouldn't use Nestle chips. That's all that you have on hand, that's fine. They're a little waxier. So this is 8 ounces, which is 1 1/3 cups of chips, of Calabo chips that I got at Marty's. So we're gonna put those chips in a bowl, and then you're gonna need 1/2 cup of hot, heavy cream. You know it's hot and at right temperature if you put it in the microwave or on the stove top, right when it boils up. Make sure you catch it because it's hard to clean off your stove. So I'm gonna put, it's pretty hot, 1/2 cup of cream in with my chocolate. And then at this point you can add different flavorings. You could add like a tablespoon of butter would give a good silkiness. You could add vanilla, you could add mint, you could add whatever you want for flavorings. This is just cream and chocolate at this point. So you stir it until it's all melted and it becomes a ganache. So it's gonna take a little minute to melt, but it's gonna melt there. I just made a mess on the table, but I'm gonna put it aside. Once it's all incorporated and melted, then you're going to put it in the refrigerator. Depending on how deep your vessel is, it can take 2 hours. This one, because it's just thick, took about 3 hours. So you're gonna wanna scoop out a truffle size. So I would say a large marble. I was talking with a friend about this and she said she likes truffles that are ping pong ball size. It's your truffle, make it any size you want. I have this great little scoop here, it's a tablespoon. So you'll see that it's pretty solid and hard. And then I'm gonna just plop it out. Takes a little bit, it's solid. This one's actually a little sticky too because it's been at room temperature for a while. So I think I can get it out. There it is, and I'm gonna roll it in my hands to make a ball. And then here's where you have a choice. In the bag, we gave some cocoa powder. I'm gonna put that in a little cup. So you can either use cocoa powder or sprinkles or any sort of coating that you think would be good. This is rainbow glitter that we picked up. And you just roll it in that, get it all around. Probably a bowl would be easier, but I just had my little work bag today. And then that's your truffle. It's really that simple. I would store them in the refrigerator. You can store them at room temperature. It's your choice. Also in our kit, in case anyone's picking these up, we had these little wooden boxes, or these paper boxes. Put this together, my hands are all nasty. I suggest you wash them first. Fold it all together to give your truffles away. You could pop one in, close it up, and you have a chocolatey outside, but a good truffle on the inside. That's it, chocolate truffles for this month's Take and Make. Thanks for joining us.